car battery chargers keep batteries powered, prevent unexpected breakdowns, extend battery life, and provide reliable charging for vehicles during emergencies. Today's video is about top 5 best car battery chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at eFast Smart Car Battery Charger. This 25A battery charger is a powerful and versatile solution for quickly charging 12V and 24V batteries. It delivers up to 25A for 12V batteries and 15A for 24V batteries, making it suitable for trucks, SUVs, boats, RVs, motorcycles, and lawn equipment. Its 5 adjustable current levels, 2A, 8A, 20A, 25A, and auto, provide flexible charging for different battery sizes. The booster mode can provide a powerful 200-second surge to help revive dead 12V batteries in emergencies. It also supports lead-acid and LiFePO4 batteries and features an 8-stage charging process with a 16-hour repair mode for older or sulfated batteries. Temperature-sensitive winter and summer modes help optimize charging in changing conditions. Built with a durable aluminum housing and cooling fan, it offers excellent heat management. Multiple safety protections, including reverse polarity, short circuit, spark, and overcharge protection, make it a reliable choice for everyday and emergency battery charging. Now our second product is Carzip Car Battery Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This 8000A jump starter is a powerful all-in-one roadside emergency tool designed for 12V vehicles, supporting gasoline and diesel engines up to 14L. Its impressive 8000A peak current can help start vehicles with dead or deeply drained batteries, while the override mode provides added assistance in difficult situations. What makes this unit especially useful is its built-in 160 psi air compressor, which can quickly inflate car, motorcycle, and bicycle tires, as well as sports equipment and inflatables using 4 included nozzle adapters. An 800-lumen LED light with steady, strobe, and SOS modes improves visibility during nighttime emergencies. 218W USB ports also allow convenient charging of smartphones and other devices. Despite its capabilities, the compact design and ergonomic handle make it easy to store and carry. With heavy-duty clamps, accessories, and a 24-month warranty included, this jump starter and air compressor offers excellent versatility and peace of mind for everyday driving, travel, and unexpected roadside emergencies. Our third product is Aves Car Battery Jump Starter. This 12-in-1 roadside emergency power kit is an impressive all-in-one solution for drivers who want multiple essential tools in one compact device. It combines an 8000A jump starter for 12V vehicles with a smart tire inflator, cordless car vacuum, 65W PD power bank, LED flashlight, SOS warning light, and various air pumping functions. The jump starter can provide valuable backup during dead battery emergencies, especially on winter mornings, road trips, or long-term parked vehicles. Its integrated tire inflator features preset modes and automatic shutoff, making it convenient for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. The built-in vacuum is another useful addition for removing dust, crumbs, sand, and pet hair without carrying a separate cleaner. Meanwhile, 65W fast charging can power compatible phones, tablets, laptops, and other devices while traveling or camping. Overall, this multifunctional emergency kit offers excellent versatility, combining safety, maintenance, cleaning, inflation, and portable power in one practical device for everyday driving and unexpected roadside situations. Now number 4, Ionfi Car Battery Charger. This 12V10A smart battery charger offers a versatile all-in-one solution for maintaining and charging compatible batteries. It supports LiFePO4, AGM, GL, EFB, VRLA, and flooded lead-acid batteries, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment. Its 10A output and 9-stage smart charging program are designed to deliver efficient charging while helping maintain battery health. Automatic winter and summer modes adjust charging according to temperature, while the bright LED display provides clear information about voltage, current, and charging status. The pulse repair and desulfation function can help recover aging batteries, provided they meet the minimum voltage requirement. Motorcycle, trickle, and TKL maintenance modes are useful for seasonal vehicles and long-term storage. Safety features include reverse polarity, spark, overcharge, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. Overall, this charger is a practical choice for reliable 12V battery charging and maintenance, though users should carefully check battery compatibility and note that it does not support 24V batteries or several lithium chemistries. And our last choice is Fasta-GI Smart Battery Trickle Charger. This 12V6A smart battery charger is a versatile solution for charging and maintaining lead-acid and compatible LiFePO4 batteries. It works with AGM, GL, SLA, flooded, automotive, marine, and deep cycle batteries, making it suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and boats. Its upgraded 9-stage charging process is designed to provide safer and more efficient charging while automatically switching to trickle or float mode after the battery is fully charged. This makes it especially useful for vehicles stored during winter or extended holidays. The large LED display clearly shows charging voltage, current, battery percentage, temperature, and charging modes, making operation easy to monitor. Built-in protections guard against reverse polarity, overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuits, and overheating. Its pulse repair function can also help reduce sulfation and restore battery performance, potentially extending battery life. Overall, this charger offers a strong combination of smart charging, maintenance, safety, and battery repair features, although it cannot revive completely dead batteries. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.